Hey friends, in the previous videos of Windows Server 2025 preview edition, so we just renamed the computer as per the requirement, as per the roles which I am going to install on this server. So I just assigned the name that is DC01 on this machine, and I also assigned a static IP address. So you can see these all options. So I'm going to open the CMD, and here you can type the command that is host name and ipconfig. So basically this command will just provide the IP address detail, and host name command provided the computer name. So there's two configuration required for this Active Directory domain service installation and configurations for Windows Server 2025, and also we'll see like how this is different as compared to other operating systems. So moreover, this is the same way which you can follow to install the Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2025, whatever that you have previously installed in Windows 2022 as well as 2016 servers. So I'm going to use the server manager role, where I will install the roles by clicking on this add roles and features and click on the next, and this is role based or feature based installation. So I'm going to proceed with the same. Now you can see this is the host name, the IP address and the operating system details are there, and because this is only one server in this pool, so I'm going to select this one and click on the next. And here you need to select the Active Directory domain service, add features, as well as also you need to select the DNS. Now click on the next, and again click on next, and click on next, and next, and you need to just put the check over here. So this will restart the destination server automatically if required post installing your services, or roles and features. So I always recommend you to put this check over here and click on the install. Now this is going to be installed. So currently this will just install the Active Directory domain services role on your Windows Server 2025 preview edition. So we need to wait for a while. Once this will completed, so you will get a message to promote a domain controller. So we need to wait. Now the installation has been successful, and you need to just configure this promote this server to a domain controller. I just click on this option. Now it's asking, there are the three options are available, and you need to just, because this is the first domain Active Directory domain services which is going to be installed, so I am going to select this add a new forest. But if you have already installed Active Directory in your infrastructure, so you can select any one of them as per your requirement. So I'm going to assign the name for this root domain, that is info-alias.local, and click on next, and you need to wait for a while. This will just show the NetBIOS name as well, and once this will just provide this detail, so you can just click on the install option. So this will just verify all the configurations, whether this is compatible or all the prerequisites are available, then only this will proceed for your Active Directory domain configuration. Now forest functional level. So this is the new forest functional level that has been introduced in Windows Server 2025. So if you go through this forest functional level and domain functional level, so the domain functional level is completely dependent on your forest functional level. If you have selected this 2025, so you cannot change the older domain functional level. But if you select this 2020 2016, so you can select any one of them. So as of now, because we just want to check all the features and functionality of Windows Server 2025, so I will go with this Windows Server 2025. Now you need to put the directory service restore mode password, Basically, this password is useful while restoring your Active Directory. So this is the reason this is called Directory Service Restore Mode password. Now going to click on the next, and once you click on the next, so you will get the NetBIOS name which is going to be assigned for this domain. Now click on next, and this is the directory database path, log files, sysvol folder. So these all are the default location, but you can change as per your requirement. As of now, I am going with the default option, so I will click on the next, and this is the details whatever that you have selected while configuring this Active Directory domain service. I am going to click on the next. Now it's just going to check the prerequisites of your Active Directory domain service for your Windows Server 2025. Now all prerequisite checks passed successfully. So now you can click on the install. You can see this is just checking and configuring all the Active Directory partitions and other group policy options, and this is also writing some of the objects for your Active Directory, and it's just in under progress for securing machines, and these all are the DNS service. So these all are related with Active Directory domain service. So this is just going to install and configure on your server 2025. Now you can see this server was successfully configured as a domain controller. Now it's asking for sign out the machine, so this will take a reboot. So I'm going to close this now, and now your server has been promoted as a Active Directory domain controller, and this holds the Active Directory database, that is info alias.local. I need to just wait for a while. So once this will just rebooted, you will get like info alias slash your account, that is built-in account, that is administrator account, and later you can create more accounts in your Active Directory domain services using Active Directory users and computer snap-in. So just wait for a while. Now this has been just restarted. I'm going to click on the install. Now you can see the domain name is over here, NetBIOS name and administrator account. So I'm going to put the password, and this has just allowed me to log in using my Active Directory domain account, that is administrator account. Now I will go on this Active Directory users and computer snap-in. So there is a method that is you can use to access this Active Directory users and computer snap-in, that is dsa.msc, and now you can see Active Directory roles and roles has been installed, and also info alias.local directory is available. Here you can create the accounts and computers as well. So this is the method which you need to just follow to install the Active Directory in your Windows Server 2025. In the upcoming video, we will configure the settings like group policies. We'll join a machine in a domain, and we will see all kind of features that we can use in Windows Server 2025. Thank you for watching this video.